Welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica Alicia, and today we are going to be doing a video on my wall as per people have requested. I know it was a long back request and I'm doing it now since I got the time to do it now. It is not that hard, it is not that expensive, it's very easy, and I will help you to get that look on your wall. So before I start off, I'm really sorry if I look really scary because I'm half asleep. I'm really tired. I'm trying to get settled to the new work timings and the new workplace, so please ignore my eyes, myself, and let's focus on the wall. Okay, so one by one I will show you everything that's on my wall and how I did it, and trust me, by the end of the video you will feel like you can do it very easily. It just looks difficult, but it is not. It is very easy. It is very cost effective. I don't think you'll be spending much on it. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so this is the overview of my wall, starting from there and there. Okay, so I will start off from the left side. As you can see, I hang my hat, my belts, my jackets, my bag and my scarf, which is go-to things. I hang them there. I will start off with the top left. That is a poster I made myself. These are some things that are things that I like in life. Like there is Uto diary, like the styling. Okay, style and living, and under that coffee is my favorite. Live for coffee. And on the right side of the poster I have collected pictures of places that I dream to travel. There is London, there is Sydney, there is Shanghai, Hong Kong, Dubai. So these are some places that I want to visit, and this things are cutouts from magazines. I cut these out from the magazines. The pages that I like, I've put them here, and I have this nice thing about new life, how to kickstart a new life. So I made this poster myself. Didn't cost me anything, but it has everything that I love. Coming down, there is this picture, this photo frame that was given to me as a gift. From far, it is my face. It's made out of all the pictures that I hope you can see. A lot of pictures of my friends. was gifted by my best friend and friends. It's the favorite gift I've ever got. Okay, so, and that's my favorite picture as well, so it has millions of pictures in it. That's the picture that I love the most. Then coming to this butterflies. These are origami butterflies that I've made them myself. I have a video on that. I will link it down below so that if you want to make them, maybe you can watch that video and get that done. So I made a lot of them. I chose orange because of the lights. Those are yellow lights, so I thought it would be more nice to use orange. And then coming to the major thing, that is this wordings that I made out. Might look like something that is wood, got from wood or got from a shop, which is no, it's not got from a shop. I made it myself. It is very easy. You guys can make it yourself as well. All you have to do is take a cardboard box, anything that you have at home, and start drawing the words on the cardboard like this. If you can go close by and see, I have cut them out myself. So I drew the wordings and I cut them out from the cardboard, and then you can just see it. It's simply cardboard, which looks nice, and then I painted it with acrylic paint. I just painted them black because it matches the background and the lighting. You do not have to go to shop and get the expensive wordings, guys. You can make it yourself. Then I made holes on the wordings, and those holes were made for these LED lights. I think that's the only thing that you'll have to purchase, LED lights. And I put them inside the holes. And I taped the wires behind the wordings so that they are not seen. And ta-da! There you go. There you have your wordings. And you can hang them, as I have hanged them with a ribbon on the top. And each and every word is just a cardboard. And I chose dream because I believe in dreaming big. And then coming down to these lights. These photographs are picked because these are my childhood pictures, and I really want only them to be on my wall. That's my brother, my cousin, me again. This is when I was on a trip with my parents. This is my dad. So I wanted only these 5 pictures on my wall. You can put your friends and family pictures. All I wanted to put only these 5 was because these 5 are very important for me. I want to wake up to something this beautiful. So all I did was the lights that was connected to these wordings are the lights that I pulled out as like this, and there's a nail on behind of this. I put all these lights to the nail and one of the lights to the picture so that it falls in the sequence. So that is the center of my wall. The top green one is actually very funny, but I took it from my Christmas tree. I think it fits more on my wall than the Christmas tree. And then, of course, I've made this. This was a normal switchboard. I thought, let me make it a little more attractive. So I used paper and I stuck it on the board. Then I made these little bows. That video as well is on, I will link it down below. I've done it. It's an origami again, so that it looks a little bit nice. Then coming to the right side, there's this pad that I keep, which is very important for me. For me, it's motivating every day. If you can just read the write-ups that I follow. And otherwise, there's pizza, there's eat yourself happy, confidence. All these things are something very important in my life. I've put these butterflies here, and this is a cute little pouch that I have. I thought he must hang there. Makes my day. This is a cute little pad that I wanted to keep it here. And that's it. That's the end of my wall. I don't think there's anything I spent much on this. It's very simple. The magazines are just cutouts and pasted. The photographs is, I think that's just the one thing. And then the LED lights, you will have to buy them. Otherwise, all of this is done with whatever I had at home. A cardboard box, craft paper, Christmas tree decor, very funny, and a pad. It's a school pad, by the way. It was not being used, so I thought I will make a good use of it. I'm posting post-its and something that can motivate me every morning. That's my bed. Pink is my color. And that's it. This is the beautiful wall that you guys wanted to know about. I hope that video was helpful for you to create your own wall, and do ping me if you do create them, and do try them because it's very easy and it's very pretty. And I will come up with some more videos sooner or later. And for that, you guys have to subscribe and hit the notification if you don't want to miss any of my videos. So I'll see you guys. Bye bye.